Everyone, welcome back to my channel West Twinkle. We are continuing chemistry chapter number 1. In this S block and P block elements we have some important compounds of S block elements, and that includes sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate from the group A1A, and group 2A includes calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, bleaching powder. Okay, in today's video we are just gonna discuss about bleaching powder, how it is prepared, what are its uses, what are the chemical reactions, how does it react with other substances, other compounds. So bleaching powder, the formula of bleaching powder is CaOClCl, or we can say CaOCl2. पेपर में इससे सवाल इस तरीके से आ सकता है दैट यू हैव टू राइट अ नोट ऑन ब्लीचिंग पाउडर. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसके फिजिकल अपीयरेंस के बारे में पढ़ लेते हैं. इट इज़ अ लाइट ग्रीनिश येलो कलर पाउडर. द स्मेल ऑफ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर इज़ लाइक द स्मेल ऑफ क्लोरीन. द केमिकल फार्मूला ऑफ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर इज़ CaOClCl, which means calcium chlorohypochlorite. The name was given by Professor Ortling. Okay, this was just basic introduction to the bleaching powder. Chemically, bleaching powder is known as calcium hypochlorite or calcium oxychloride. Okay, there are other names for pronouncing bleaching powder with the chemical formula CaOCl2. Bleaching powder is prepared by passing chlorine gas over the slake line. ब्लीचिंग पाउडर कैसे बनता है? जब आप स्लेक लाइन और क्लोरीन गैस का रिएक्शन करवा दें. CaOH2 slake line plus Cl2 chlorine gives us CaOCl2 bleaching powder plus hydrogen gas. The industrial preparation of bleaching powder is done through Hazen-Claver method. Now we are going to discuss the Hazen-Claver method. First of all, we have the construction of this plant. Hazen-Claver plant consists of a number of hollow cylinders of iron. Here you can see we have number of cylinders which are made up of iron. Next is generally 4 in number. Okay, these cylinders are fitted with shafts having a large number of plates fixed along the entire length. These shafts can be rotated inside the cylinders, which helps in steering. Each of the cylinders are about 2 meter to 3 meter long. The uppermost cylinder has a hopper through which slake line is fed and an outlet for the waste gases to come out. The lowermost cylinder has an inlet through which chlorine gas is passed and an outlet for the final processed bleaching powder to come out. Look, here we have 4 cylinders. We have shafts in each cylinder and we have plates which is in rotatory motion. हमने ऊपर से इंट्रोड्यूस कराई स्लेक लाइन. From the last cylinder हमने इंट्रोड्यूस कराई क्लोरीन गैस. मूव होते गई and at a point at second or third cylinder it met with slake line. Okay, slake line से क्लोरीन गैस का जब रिएक्शन हुआ तो हमारे पास वेस्ट Now we have these words of the Hazen-Claver method. bleaching powder comes out through the outlet at the bottom of the innermost cylinder and collected in a vessel. Note, we have important note here. Bleaching powder has a wide applications in different industries. For example, it is used for the bleaching with bulk in the paper industry, bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry, used for disinfecting drinking water supply, and also used in manufacturing of chloroform. These were the uses of bleaching powder. We have some more uses as well. Bleaching powder reacts with certain compounds present in various substances to form chlorine or nascent oxygen, which, being an oxidizing agent, removes the color of those substances. The oxidizing agent के तौर पे भी help out करता है, cleaning, straining को remove करता है. Therefore, bleaching powder is used in the bleaching of the colors of various materials, clothing, furniture, paper, etc. That is why it is called bleaching powder. And it is also used as bactericide and in the preparation of some compounds. So this was for today, bleaching powder, and I hope that you like the video. And if anything is not clear about bleaching powder, anything you can ask me in comment section, and the next topic will be uploaded soon. Allah Hafiz.